A few weeks ago, after about a week's worth of rain, we had to close the eastbound lanes because, as you can see behind me, we've got a geotechnical problem in one of the cut batters, and a little bit further down the hill there's another one a little bit smaller than the one behind me. With the wet year that we've had going right back to the end of 2021, with the rain, it's just slowly found its way into the back of the cutting and then found its way to a couple of thin weak layers that are sitting at the bottom of the cutting. More than anything, it's safety first, and as you can see, because it's now unstable, it's very difficult to work safely below it. So one of the complexities that our contractor Nexus is dealing with at the minute is looking at remote control equipment to do a bunch of the work that needs to be done to be able to stabilise this area just in a temporary sense until such time as a permanent solution can be designed and then reconstructed. We've got very steep slopes, and because it's unstable, you can only use small equipment, so it slows everything down. The uncertainty around the geology, which is actually the root cause of the issue we've got at the minute. So knowing exactly what's under the ground is hard. The approach, which obviously Transport and Main Road Support, was safety first. So the first thing was to close the road, secure the site, and that's happened. Since then, there's been a lot of geotechnical drilling work and investigation work, design work done, and now we're at the point where we actually have a solution that will enable a temporary sort of retaining wall, and then once that's in place, we can put the traffic back on the road, at least in one lane. Nexus are doing everything they can. They're bringing equipment in from all over Australia to get onto this and get it open again as quickly as possible. So it is an inconvenience. We understand that, and we appreciate that the community's been cooperative. The trucking industry, they work with us, they talk to us, and we do thank people for their patience for sure.